Okay, so hi again. I wanted to make another video. I figured, I'm hoping that it helps you guys out. Um, the reason why I'm making this video is because I was looking at my tires and I ended up having a screw on there on the tire. So, I figure, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can, if I can make this video, it'll help someone. So I'm gonna show you. I'm tired of paying these guys $30 when I can do it myself. You can save yourself some money. So I'm gonna show you where the screw's at. I'm gonna show you how to take it out, and I'm gonna show you what you need. So like that, you could end up fixing it yourself. If you see over there by my tire on the floor, that's my rooster. That's my buddy. His name's Churro. So, but I'm gonna show you. I hope that this video is helpful to you guys. Like you girls or women, once you see this, you get a screw on your tire, or a small leak. If you have a screw like that, tell your boyfriend or your husband. They can do it themselves instead of paying anybody. It's not like before where you paid $10 or $15. Now it's like $30, $35. So I said, the heck with that. I'll do it myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you where it's at, and I'm gonna show you what you need. Okay? All right. And that's my buddy over there, Churro. So I'm gonna come over here to where the car is at. I'm gonna show you where the screw is at. And this screw is right there, right on my tire. So I don't know if it's leaking any air, but I do get that that light comes up, when your tires are low. So I'm kind of hoping that's what it is, but I'm gonna show you how to change it. Like that, you don't have to go paying anybody. I'll hopefully save you $30, maybe 35. Buy yourself McDonald's or something for your girlfriend or your boyfriend. So hopefully it'll help. Also, what I want to show you is what you need. What you go to O'Reilly's, or if you go to AutoZone, pretty much look for this. And these are like the little patches that you put inside. Sometimes they sell them by themselves. Okay, that's these. And then they sell it as a pack like this when you get it. It's like $5-7. I just happen to buy these to have extra. Also, to get the screw out, try to get a screwdriver, and then some wire cutter so you can pull the screw out. And then also this right here, I put water in it with dish soap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here, just to see if it's leaking. So see if you see any bubbles coming out. And that's how you can tell, if you can see the air coming out. See that? So I'm gonna show you how to take it out. You can repair yourself, save yourself your money. And if this video is helpful for you guys, let me know. Okay, but if you can see, look at the bubbles coming out. So the water is coming out slowly. Also, I have my friend here helping me. This is Churro. So he's a good helper. He's always around me when I'm working on anything on my cars. Right, Churro? Right? Look, he wants to fight me. Look, he wants to fight me. Don't be mean. Okay, I'm trying to make a video. Stop it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take that out, and then hopefully, like I said, just be patient, take your time, and you can do it yourself. But you can see all, the air coming out slowly. You can see the bubbles coming out. Okay. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that screw out and get my thing ready. I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out, and I'm gonna put it on here. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you take this plastic thing on here. It's pretty sticky. Get one of these out. Okay. Get one of these out right here. And just get yourself ready. And you put it right in here. So you want to get this ready before you even take the screw out. Okay. And it's not really hard, you know. I mean, just a matter, you know, a couple of minutes, you put it on there. See. There you go. So when you put it on here, kind of like split half and half. Okay, fold it up like this. Okay, just have it ready. Okay, so I'm gonna put it up here. Okay, also make sure you have this ready so when you take the screw out, okay, you're gonna put this in here and push it in and out before you put that in there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and take the screw out. Okay, remember, you guys can do this. Anybody can do this. You just don't need to pay anybody. So you could use a screwdriver, okay, or you could use this right here, the needle nose. I mean the wire cutters. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, there's a screw right here. Okay, and I'm gonna get this. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, so when I take this out, okay, but before that, like I said, put this in here. Okay, just put it in here. Okay, make sure you have this ready right before you put it in there. And when you put it on there, like halfway, you know, like even it up. Okay, so once I take this out, I'm gonna put this in there, and then I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, and that's how you fix your flat. I'll put this up here. Make sure you clean this out good. Put that sucker in there. There you go. There you go. And you do it slowly, and this sucker will go in there. Okay, just like that. Okay. So then you pull this out slowly. So when you stick this in, don't put it in all the way, okay? Because you're still gonna cut a little bit out. But pull this out. You can see it coming out. Okay, there you go. So here's your fix-a-flat. So I'm gonna put some water in it. You can see that there's no more air coming out. But you could either leave that on there, or you can cut this, or you can cut it out. Cut a little piece out, not all the way flat, just a little bit above. and then as you're driving it, this will start just wearing out the top. That's it. Okay, I put some more water on it. There's no bubbles. Look at that. I have a compressor. You could do this. You could take the tire off if you want. I chose not to take the tire off because I have easy access to do it. But you know, you turn the tire, you could take it off. But I'm doing it right. You take your car to a place where they fix flats, you're gonna pay $35. Okay? I mean, just remember, that's all you gotta get. Okay, you get one of these. This right here, screwdriver with this slotted thing. And then don't forget you have this. Okay? When you take the screw out, just make sure that you stick that sucker in there. Make sure that this is, when you start, cleaning it in there, you wanna make sure that this goes in easy, in and out, then go ahead and put this on. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. Again, you could you could help somebody that doesn't know how to do it, or believe me, you save yourself some money. So till next time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some air in it, and then throw some more of that water with soap, just to make sure that there's no bubbles coming out. And like I said, this right here, as you're driving, it'll wear off slowly, so you don't gotta worry about it. And you're not gonna hear no thump either. So it's going to 25 pounds. I'm going to put in a 40 pounds. So I don't know if you could see it, but see, 40 pounds right there. So then I'm going to throw some of that liquid on it. See, right there. And you can see there's no bubbles at all. So you can pretty much do this yourself. Okay, it just takes a little bit of time. Save yourself some money. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, any comments. Till next time.